Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is AG update. So this is a quick video for those of you participating in the Union Testnet campaign to maximize your chance of getting some potential reward. So this video is mainly for those of you trying to perform some transaction into Zeon and it is not counting for you. So I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can navigate around this for it to reflect that you have done some transaction into the Zeon ecosystem during this testnet stage. So I'm going to show you guys what to do because a lot of you have made transaction into Zeon and it is not counting, maybe from Con to Zeon, from Babylon to Zeon. So let's take a look at this history. All right, so I want to show you guys something that I've made some transaction from Babylon into the Zeon, as you can see on the screen. So let's check on my achievement. Okay, click on chain, now click Zeon. So you can see that mine is reflecting. Perform one transaction into Zeon. You can see it here. Perform 10 transaction. I've done it 20. All right, so this is for this account. So what you don't need to do is to update your wallet. So if you click on this dashboard sign here, click on this. Now what you don't need to do is to trace this wallet start. Click on view wallet. It's going to bring you here, so you can see Union and the rest, but you are not going to see Zeon yet. You can see 8 wallets. Why it's supposed to be 9 wallet or so. What you just need to do is to click on add wallet. Once you click on add wallet, click on Kepler wallet. So you're going to see everything here. You're going to see Zeon here also. So just leave it like this. Now just click on continue. Now what you just need to do is to click on verify wallet. So after you connect your wallet, for those of you that have not connected your wallet, click on verify wallet. You're going to see initiating Cosmos wallet verification. All right, so your wallet is going to pop up. That is, your Cosmos wallet is going to pop up. You're going to see a write-up like this. I'm signing to this message to prove account ownership and to pledge allegiance to ZKGN. So now what you need to do is to click on approve. So signature receive, wallet verify, updating data. So you can see wallet added successfully. Then you click on done. So you can see Zeon here. So this is for those of you making transaction into Zeon and it is not reflecting that you have made any transaction into Zeon. This is what you need to do. So again, for your Zeon to start counting, you need to use Zeon as your destination chain. So you can use Babylon Testnet as your source chain, then Zeon as your destination chain. For those of you that don't know how to get Babylon Testnet, you can get it on their Discord group. I'm going to drop it at the description of this video. You're going to see Babylon Discord. Well, I'm going to make a video about it very soon, so make sure to get Babylon Testnet. Then you can make transaction into Zeon. Like, you can use the list. You're going to send 0.3. Make sure to just use the list. Like, I normally use 0.001 or 0.1. So this is just for transaction sake. Then you click swap, then you click on submit. Wait for it to process. Your wallet is going to pop up for you to confirm the transaction. All right, so now what you need to do is to click on approve. Wait for it to process. All right guys, so looking on the screen, transfer successful. So new transfer. So in case you are trying to perform transaction and you have followed all the steps, in case you come across your transaction is not reflecting, please just leave it and continue making transaction into Zeon. In the next hour or minute, it will surely reflect for you. So don't worry yourself. If you are making transaction and you go to your dashboard to confirm that the Zeon tax has not reflected, just leave it, continue making transaction. Later, continue making transaction, it's going to reflect later. So sometimes it's due to the congestion because a lot of people are participating in this campaign. So please make sure to perform this transaction and make sure to mass click Union. So those of you finding it hard, please do this, and you can make some transfer from Con. So what you just need to do is to get the Con faucet here and make some transfer. Alright guys, so first of all, for you to perform some transaction from Con into Zeon, what you just need to do is to make sure to make some transfer from Zeon first into Con. So you need to get some faucet. Alright, so you need to get some faucet for Zeon. So you visit the faucet site. Alright, so visit the faucet site and you click on Union Testnet. What you all need to do is to request USDC and Zeon. So I've already requested yesterday. It's not up to 24 hours, so I'll not be able to get this. Get your Zeon address from your Kepler wallet, that is the Zeon Testnet, and paste it here. Select Zeon first, verify that you're a human, then you click on continue. Then you're going to receive your Zeon Testnet token. After that, you make sure to click on reset. You're going to see reset. Click on reset, then follow the process again. Paste your address here, get USDC, then you click on continue to get the USDC. After getting the USDC, what you need to do now is to select Zeon as your source chain. Now you select USDC. After you select USDC, what you need to do for your destination now, you select Con. After that, you put down the amount that you want to transfer, like 0.5. Just use 0.5, because if you use 0.00 something, it's not going to reflect. So just use 0.5, or you can use 1. Since they are going to give you 2 Zeon or so, you can use 1. So but you'll use 0. I use 0.5 because I normally perform transaction with low amounts. They are just finding the transaction. Make sure to use 0.5 also, then click on submit. From 0.5 above, click on submit. Your Kepler wallet is going to open for you to perform the transaction. So you click on approve, you wait for it to process. You're going to see successful, click on new. So normally this is going to take like some minutes for it to verify. So you can see the transaction here. If you click on history, perform some transaction from Zeon to Testnet. So it's going to take some minutes for it to enter the Con chain. So since I already have some Con, I'm just going to be fast with this. So you can see the 0.55 has not reflected yet. You just need to wait for some minutes for it to enter. So since I already have some USDC, I'm going to use this to show you guys what I'm trying to explain. So you can see 0.3 USDC already have. Now what you need to do now, for your destination chain, select okay. So for your destination chain, select Zeon. For the source chain, you select Con, then you select USDC. If the USDC you sent from the Zeon has reflected, yeah. So source chain, sorry, destination chain, Zeon. Now you make some transaction, like I'll be using 0.01 also, just to perform some transaction. So now you click on transfer, you click on submit. Okay, your EVM wallet is going to open, like I'm using Rabbit wallet. Click on sign, click on confirm. So wait for it to process. Alright guys, or you can see transaction completed, it was successful. So you wait for it to process. You are going to see successful. So new transfer, just follow same process. After click on transfer, follow like that, submit. Just make sure to create enough transaction on Zeon. So after that, make sure to visit your Zeon achievement start, view all, click on chain, click on Zeon, click here to make sure to check your Zeon progress. So same thing with this account. I've made some transaction, don't know if it has reflected. So I'm going to click on chain Zeon. Now click here. So I think it has added the transaction I made. I think it has added. So looking on the screen, that is how you can perform some transaction into Zeon. So for those of you participating in this campaign, good luck and I wish you many more grains to your wallet. So this is what you need to know. As a time on making this video, I'll keep you guys updated on Zeon because I'm a mass clicker of this project and a believer of this project. So anything you need to know about Zeon, guys, make sure to contact me on Telegram. I'm going to help you. Those of you that participated in the union ceremony, very soon I'm going to make a video on how you can contribute if you are already on the queue. For those of you already on the queue, so I'm up to date on Union. Make sure to join me, follow me, hit on the subscription button, and don't forget to also give this video a like. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.